What's up, guys? This is Nate, aka GV70 Performance here, coming to you in a how-to video for launch mode or launch control in the 2022 Genesis GV70. I saw a few questions asked on Facebook, and someone asked on a comment on a video, another person asked on the forum, so I figured I'd do a quick tutorial here. First thing you're going to do is come over here to your drive mode selector. You're going to pull that back towards you. See, I was already in Sport Plus, so you're going to go and navigate to Sport Plus. You see the traction light comes up over there. Next thing you're going to do is come over here and find your traction control button, and you're going to hold it down until you get that notification there. Traction and disability control disabled. Once you've done that, hold your left foot on the brake, heavy, go wide open throttle. You will get a notification in the dash that says launch control activated, or I believe launch control ready, excuse me. Here we go. And then let off the brake. And there it is. That's launch control in the 2022 Genesis GV70.